Hi, this is Richard Fields with this week's report from the fields. Google searches for criminal defense attorneys in Washington, D.C. began surging the day before Donald J. Trump was inaugurated president. They are now 5 times higher than in the rest of the country. I wonder why. Since lawyer-client conversations are still private, we must speculate. I can think of 2 plausible explanations. One, it's payback time by Trump. MAGA Republicans and Trump himself complained loudly and long that Trump was subject to lawfare throughout his first term as president and then during the Biden presidency. Those complaints are at least partly based in fact. Trump may be weaponizing the Justice Department to target Democrats just like Democrats targeted him. Or 2, Elon Musk's DOGE may be uncovering some serious criminal activity on the part of the deep state bureaucrats who have been going about their business with minimal adult supervision for decades. The Pentagon has failed to pass an audit for 7 years running. The amount of military spending they cannot account for runs in the billions. If the money was spent, some swamp critters somewhere received it. Pentagon misspending is the low-hanging fruit. DOGE has also documented that U.S. aid spending went to highly questionable NGOs. Another juicy target is money spent on environmental projects and boondoggles. In addition to searches for criminal defense attorneys, there's also been a D.C. surge in searches for wire money and offshore bank. Are bent bureaucrats trying to hide their ill-gotten gains? Reasonable people want to know. I'm sure I do. 16 years ago, Harvey Silverglate, the co-founder of the Foundation for Individual Rights and Expression, FIRE, wrote the book 3 Felonies a Day, which posited that 3 is the average number of felonies committed daily by everyone, mostly unwittingly. I suspect that residents of D.C. bring that average number up substantially. The reason for that hard-to-believe assertion is the mind-numbing number of regulations written not by Congress, but by bureaucrats, which can carry criminal penalties. Could it be that the profligate rulemaking by D.C. bureaucrats is coming back to bite them? A schadenfreude moment says we can hope so. Whatever the reason for the spike in D.C. criminal defense demand, we can certainly sit back and enjoy the spectacle. Time to get out the popcorn. I'm Richard Fields, and that's this week's report from the fields.